Good morning, children. Today we are going to see tenses. Do you know what are the tenses? Yeah, present tense, past tense, and future tense. When we talk about today's action, we have to use present tense. When we talk about yesterday's actions, you have to use past tense. When we talk about tomorrow's plan for future, you have to use future tense. Let's see. The tense of a verb shows when something happens. That verb shows when something happens. See the example? I run every day. I ran yesterday. I will run tomorrow. See? The verb shows when something, the tense of a verb shows when something happens. I run every day. Run, that means present tense. Every day for daily routine work, you have to use present tense. For today's action, for a routine work, true habits, general truth, you have to use present tense. Past tense, already the action was over, you have to use past tense. I ran yesterday. Future tense, I will run tomorrow. When we talk about future things, for next day, for next week, like, you have to use future tense. The tense of a verb shows when something happens. Let's see the tenses. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. The three tense divided into four categories. For present tense, we have four: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous. Like past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Like future, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. 12 divisions. See, present, past, future, these three types of tenses. Present, four categories, past and future, four. So present, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Like past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Let's see present tense. It is used to indicate the following: habits, regular events, current situations, general truths or facts. See, for habits, regular events, for this event, for things you have to use present tense. Regular events, current situations, today's actions, general truths or facts, you have to use simple present tense. Remember, children, for habits, regular events, current situations, general truths or facts, you have to use simple present tense. You have to use present verb only. For that, already we had learnt pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she, it, which is singular, which is plural, isn't it? Are you remember, children? First person singular I, plural we, second person singular you, plural also you, third person singular he, she, it, plural they, isn't it? So for you have to use plural I, you, we, they. For all those things you have to use only the present verb. Walk, watch, go, play, dance, sing, run, eat. Like, you have to use only the present verb. But he, she, it, third person singular he, she, it, you have to add s with the verb. S or es with the verb. Example: walks, watches, goes, plays, sings, dances, eats, likes. Like, you have to add s or es with the verb third person singular. You have to add he, she, it. For he, she, it, you have to add s or es with the verb. He plays every day. She dances daily. Like, you have to add s or es with the verb. You have to remember when we have to use present tense, and for yes or yes you have to add. Okay, for present tense, habits, regular events, current situations, general truths or facts, you have to use present tense. And for I, you, we, they, you have to use only the present verb. For third person singular he, she, it, you have to add s or es with the verb. See the example. I play the piano. You play the piano. He or she plays. We play. They play. So he or she, you have to add s or es with the verb. See, the base form of a verb, you have to add third person singular he, she, it for s or es or ies with the verb. Okay, when the subject is in third person, he, she, it, you have to add with the verb s or es or ies. You have to remember when we have to write in present tense, no, you should add when the subject is in third person singular, you have to add yes, es or ies with the verb. Okay, let's see the example. Then we use form of be verbs is, am, are. Then have verb has, have. Okay, so you have to be verb and have verb already last year we had learned, isn't it? So you have to use is, am, are. Be verbs. Have verbs has, have. Okay, or someone or something in present tense. See, the refrigerator has water bottle. Here has is a present tense. Then for already I told, no, for habits or it happened regularly, you have to use present tense. They visit the market on Sundays. So it is regular thing, happening thing. Regularly we are doing that one. So visit, because they is a plural, they plural, so you have to use visit. You have to use only the present verb visit. For facts and general truth, you have to use present tense. You are fit. Be verbs is, am, or no. You are fit. Thoughts, feelings, and opinions also you have to use present tense. My friend thinks that I am healthy. Here, things is a verb. My friend singular, so you have to add s with the verb. Action that happens regularly. You have to use present tense. I go to gym every day. For time truths, the sun sets in the west, the sun rises in the east, the earth revolves in the round the sun, like that. You have to, for time truths and all, you have to use present verb. Okay, the sentence is an all time truth, it will never change. We can't change that sun sets in the west. So like that you have to use present verb. In that situation you have to use present verb. Then be verb, already I told you, know, be verbs and have verbs, you have to use present. The rabbit is under the tree. Okay, present verb means you have present tense, you have to use rabbit singular, so you have to use is. The rabbit is under the tree. I run every day. For daily routine work, you have to use present tense. I brush my teeth twice a day. Here, brush verb. Fact or something true, you have to use present tense. The dog haunts our house. Gods, here present verb. Dog singular, it, so you have to add with the verb yes. Then the facts and all, you have to use present tense. No, parrots like to eat chilies. Here why we are writing like, because parrots plural, so you have to write only the verb. So like, parrots like to eat chilies. The teacher teaches us the values of life. Here teacher's verb, teacher singular, so we are adding es with the verb teaches. The sun shines bright on a sunny day. Here shines verb, sun singular, so we are adding yes with the verb. The sun shines bright on a sunny day. It gets too cold in winters. Gets, here verb. For daily routine work, I go for swimming classes daily. Here I, so we are writing only the verb. I go for swimming classes daily. If you are doing daily, so you have to use present tense. He plays tennis every day. Plays. He, so you have to add with the verb yes or e. So yes, he plays. See, you have to remember, children, for I, you, and plural noun or pronoun, you should not add s or es with the verb. See, we sing, play, and dance together. Here we plural subject, so you have to write sing, again play, dance. You should not add s or es with the verb. You have to remember, okay? So we sing, play, and dance together. For timetable, time and schedule and all, you have to use present tense. The Dell Mall is open from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. The meeting is held on Sundays. Like, you have to use present tense for timetable and schedule and all. You have to remember, for singular noun or pronoun, you have to add s or es with the verb. See the example, John runs very fast. She brushes her teeth 3 times a day. So for regular work, you have to use present tense. Rita plays with dolls. Rita singular subject, so you have to add with the verb yes. So plays. You should not write play. So plays. Rita plays with dolls. For I, you, plural nouns or pronouns, you should not add s or es with the verb. See, plural girls like to dance. Plural girls, plural subject. So you have to add, you should not add s or es with the verb. You should write only like. So girls like to dance. If it is only one girl, you have to write girl likes to dance. So remember, children, for habits, regular events, current situations, general truth, you have to daily routine work, you have to use present tense, and then you, for singular, you have to add with the verb. If the subject is singular, you have to add s or es with the verb. If the subject is plural, you should not add s or es with the verb. You should just write only the present verb. Thank you.